This is Heaven 7 News. Not a sermon, not a myth, just a timeline. If the story was real, history would leave fingerprints. It did. "5 BC. Far from Bethlehem's hills, court scribes in Han Dynasty halls wrote what they saw, not what they believed. A guest star burned the sky. 70 days it stayed, not scripture, not prophecy, just ink in an imperial archive. Independent, recorded, preserved. Matthew said the Magi followed, not for a night, but for a journey. They arrived late, a child, not a newborn cry. A sign that lingered, fits the story perfectly. Long road, long light, no rush, no rush, no rush. Heroes still rule, history locks the door. 4 BC he dies, the window closes. So before the crown fell, the child arrived. 5 BC, best fit, firm ground.
From star to flesh, from light to breathe, the timeline holds, it doesn't stretch. No forced math, no borrowed days, just history lining up with faith.
When truth is read all the way through, the story stands because it's true. 70 days, spring sky, appointed times align.
Passover,
Unleavened bread, first fruits on the rise. The calendar that marked his birth would later mark his death. The beginning and the end, written on the same page. No year zero, about 30. Scripture says a ministry measured, not exaggerated. From 5 BC to Passover AD 30, 33 years give or take, and the numbers don't fight back. Then John drops a detail most people skip, that Sabbath was a high day. Wednesday the cross, before sunset the tomb. Thursday unleavened bread, a festival rest. Friday spices bought, Saturday rest again. 2 Sabbaths, 1 week, everything fits. 1 night, 2 nights, 3 days, 3 nights, not symbol, not spin, just counted time. The tomb was empty before the sun could argue, and when he breathed his last, the ground answered. Rock split, earth shook, not poetry, geology agrees. The land remembers what happened that day. A star announced his coming, the earth marked his leaving. From heaven's light to a shaken ground, every witness still speaks now. Read it whole, let it stand, the truth survives the span. The timeline doesn't strain, it holds. This is
Heaven 7 News.
when all the details are included. Faith doesn't collapse under history, it stands on it.